Okay, so today we're working on partial addendums. This is topic 9, page 483. If you're at home, we're going to do a few on the front and a couple on the back, and then I'll have a couple for you to do for assignments that you can turn in and submit. So if you're at home, you need to be doing this as a PDF for practice. All right, so number 1 says, I can't even talk this morning. Number 1 says, Sue scored 236 points, so we're going to underline 236. We're going to circle points because that's our label, okay, during the first half of the basketball session. So they're breaking it in half. So half means we got how many parts? 2, right? She scored 285 points during the second half. And then this is our question. How many points did she score during the entire session? Okay, what are we going to do? If it's entire, what do we need to do? Add or subtract? Okay, we're going to add, right? Because we need a big number. Okay, you with me? So we're going to stack these two numbers. 236 plus 285. Okay. Remember, when it's over 10, we have to regroup. Okay? So 5 plus 6, anybody know what that is?
11.
11, so we're going to put 1 down. Here are 1 to the 10. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our 2 down. Regroup, put our 1 up here. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5.
5, so 5, 21.
21 what? What's our label?
Points.
Okay, where would this go?
At the top?
Yeah.
Top.
There goes our light. It's going to go up here at the top, right?
Yeah.
All right. Down here it says, in exercise 1, which is this one, how can you tell if your answer is reasonable? So reasonable means that it makes sense. Okay? So could we estimate these to check? Let's round these to the nearest 10 down here and see if we're close. Okay? So 236, if I'm going to round that, it could be 230 or it could be 240. Right? Where's it going? Is it 5 or more in the ones?
Yeah. Yep.
So we're going up, right? So 240, and then I have 285. So 280, I'm looking at my 10s, and I'm going to add 10 more, so 290. That number's right on our midway point. So remember, from midway point up, or 5 or more, we're going to round up. So this is going to be 290, okay? So we'll add those together. 0 plus 0 is? 0. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 5.
530 points. So is 521 reasonable? That's pretty close,
Yeah,
right?
pretty close.
Yeah. So I would say yes. Yeah, it's reasonable. I can check by estimating. So this is a capital Y there. Okay? I can check by estimating. All right, so over here in 3 and 6, and then down at the bottom, it says estimate by rounding to the nearest 10. So we have one thing that we have to do, right? And then it says find each sum, and you can use place value blocks or drawing to help. Okay? Well, with code, we're not getting out place value blocks because I don't have enough for everybody to have their own, but you're welcome to draw those on your whiteboard, okay? So first we're going to round those numbers, and then we're going to add them, okay? So we got to round 126 first. So I'm going to go and we're round to the nearest 10. So I'm going to look at my 10s. This could be 120 or 130. What do we think? I go next door. Is that 5 or more? I'm going to 130. So all right, 130 over here. This could be 170 or 180. So I go next door. Is that 5 or more?
Nope.
Nope. So I got to let it rest at 170. So let's add those up. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. So I gotta regroup, bring that one up here. 1, 2, 3. So I get 300. All right. Now let's go ahead and add it up. I'm gonna take these out of the way. 6 plus 1 is,
7.
2 plus 7 is,
9.
and 1 plus 1 is,
2.
so is 297 reasonable?
Yeah.
Are they close, almost the same? Yeah, they're only a few dollars off, right? Okay, let's do one more together, and then we're gonna go to the back, and then I'm gonna have you do some at your seat after we turn our video off, okay? So let's go ahead down here to 9, or not 9, to 5, sorry. I'm gonna have you do 9 later. Let's go down here to 5. All right. I'm gonna do 3 and 5 on this one. 1 and 2. Okay, so 5 plus, oh wait, we gotta round first, right? I almost forgot. Okay, so this is 4, what's in my 10 spot? A 1, so 4, 10, another 10 would be 4, 20. I go next door, is that 5 or more?
Yes.
Yep, so I'm going to 420, I'm gonna put it on this side because I changed that one. You can put it wherever you want, I don't care. It needs to be in this area so I can see it, okay? Okay, going to my 10 spot again, so this could either be 160 or what? What's 10 more? 160,
70.
170. Go next door, is that 5 or more? So I got 170. So add those up. So 0 plus 0 is
0.
2 plus 7,
9.
4 plus 1, 5. Okay, let's see if we can get close to it. Alright, 5 plus 8,
13.
13. What do I do with that 1?
You carry it up there.
I gotta regroup, right? I gotta put it on top because it's more than 10. Gotta put it in the 10 top. So I got 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
8's already there. 4 plus 1 is 583. Reasonable?
Yes.
Because it's real close to 590,
It's
right?
pretty close.
We got it? Alright, we're gonna come back to this, but for now, because we've got our video going, we're gonna flip to the back. We're gonna do 23 and 24 today. Let me get it. 23 and 24.
Okay, it's all the way at the bottom.
Remember, you're still on video. Oh, I think I lied. It's 22 and 24. Sorry. It is 22 and 24 on iPad. Not on purpose. I just have old eyes. Okay. The eraser doesn't look very well. Okay, so we saw this today. We have one kind of like 22, and we have one kind of like 24. Okay. Higher order thinking. Higher order thinking is when we use what we know in a couple steps extra, because we got to think about it. It's not just memorized information, okay? So it says Pete can run 140 or 178 yards, can't talk today, 178 yards, circle yards, in 1 minute,
Whoa.
right? Sharon can run 119 more
What?
yards than Pete in 1 minute. How many yards can they both run in 1 minute? Okay. So what is the mystery question or the hidden question there that we got to solve before we can solve it? Ryan?
How many more yards Shannon ran?
Like, we got to figure out how many she ran altogether, right? Because we know she ran 119 more, but we don't know how much she ran altogether, right?
We have to add 178 plus.
Yep. We got to add 178 plus 119. Because we're adding Pete's plus the more that she ran. Okay? So 7, not 7, gosh darn it, 8 plus 9 going to give you
It's
17. I'm giving you the answer again.
Carrier 1,
Here we one, so we're going to regroup it. We got to put it back in the 10s.
and then it's going to be 9,
8, 9,
and then it's going to be 2.
Okay, are we done?
297.
Does that answer the question?
No.
No, because they want to know how many yards both
Both run.
run in 1 minute. So what do we got to do now?
297 plus
Yeah, so now we're going to take this. What's this? So 297 plus 178. Okay, 7 plus 8 is? Where am I going to do with that 1?
Carry it up to the 9.
And we got to regroup. We got to put it in the 10s, right? 9, 10 plus 7 is 17. What am I doing with this one? Put it back up at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 475 what?
475 yards.
In what?
In minute?
In a minute. So 475 yards, we're gonna put yards, and we're gonna put this little slash, M-I-N. So 470 yards per minute for both of them. That's together. Okay? Not too bad, right? Where would this go? Where would this 475 go on our bar diagram? Where does it go? Where does this number go over here?
The very
Yeah, it's gonna go at the top. It's our big number, right? And this 297 is what this equals. Okay? We good? All right. Josh, we're going to number 24. This is to get us ready for our big test, hopefully. Josh was playing a board game. He scored 248 points in the first game. There's going to be more than one, maybe. And 273 points in the second game. Complete the problem and find the total number of points Josh scored. Show regrouping if necessary. So when we regroup, this is a new word for third grade. You've used it before in second grade. We regroup. It means to change it out. Okay. So we're moving it up to the next number because we've reached our capacity. So 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. When I regroup, that's when I bring this 1
to the tens.
to the tens because it's no longer ones. We've reached 10. So I got
And now
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right?
And
Nope.
then carry your 1 to
That's
the
not right. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, 1. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 511 what? Where's our label? Points. Okay. That wasn't too hard, right? So regroup means again, we're going to do it again. So we're going to move it over to the bigger column. Okay, thank you for tuning in. If you're at home, you need to go back and do questions 9, 10, and 11 if you're at home. If you're here, you can start those now. Thanks.